Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to publish MATLAB code in PDF format. So basically what you'll need to do is go to your MATLAB and go to the live editor. As you can see, I opened my file where I did some coding, and right here, if I want to save that as PDF, I will go right here to export button and you'll see export to PDF. Click on export to PDF. Now you can rename it how you want to and select a folder. So basically right now I'm on the online MATLAB, so I will basically be able just to save on MATLAB drive. So click export, and after that you will see right here that PDF will appear. So let me show you. It automatically opens for you, as you can see. So you can just save it to your computer, or you can just go to your MATLAB drive and you'll see this file .pdf. So if this video was been helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.